Good morning everyone, this is Amit Prabhari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. In today's presentation, we are going to discuss three things. First, we'll understand why rupee depreciated from 8150 to 8290 levels. Then what is the outlook for coming days, and finally strategy for exporters and importers. Now let us first understand why rupee depreciated from 8150 to 8290 level. One of the most important reason is that in last 15 days, whatever US economic data came, they were all solid. Most of the data are showing green in color. Second, because of that, market has started expecting that US will be aggressive in increasing the interest rate, because of which dollar index has moved up by 3% in last 2 weeks. And if you see the chart, all other emerging market currencies have also got weaker against dollar. But if you see, rupee has outperformed other currencies because RBI was intervening between 8250 to 8280 levels aggressively. Now the big question is what next, whether we are moving towards 83.5 or back to 82. So let us understand the factors. Let me start with negative factors first. The first negative factor is any geopolitical tension between US or China, Russia and Ukraine can add pressure to all emerging market currencies and rupee. Second negative reason can be stronger US economy data. Third, we have heard in last few days some comment have come from George Soros. Any negative comment from him further might escalate FII selling in the Indian market. Now academic purpose के लिए समझते हैं जॉर्ज सोरोस कौन है. जॉर्ज सोरोस इज अमेरिकन बिलियनर हेज फंड मैनेजर. इनका सबसे पहला जो अचीवमेंट था वो था 1992 के अंदर पे, जब ही हैव सोल्ड हेविली पाउंड, बिकॉज ऑफ विच ही हैव मेड $1 बिलियन का प्रॉफिट इन द ईयर 1992. एंड बैंक ऑफ इंग्लैंड को 3.5 बिलियन पाउंड का नुकसान हुआ था. इन 1997 ड्यूरिंग एशियन क्राइसिस उन्होंने मलेशियन रिंगेट और थाई बाट को भी करेंसी को शॉर्ट किया हुआ था. तो ये इज द हिस्ट्री ऑफ शॉर्टिंग करेंसी. Now he has commented something on India, but I think he is forgetting that it is not UK or Thai or Malaysian ringgit, it is India. We think that his comments will not have any significant impact on Indian markets. Now let us see what are the positive factors. The first positive factor is that crude oil price is in a falling trajectory. Last week it has fallen by 5%. Second a positive factor is that our trade deficit has been reducing from an average of 25 to 30 billion per month. In last 6 months it has come down to 17 billion. Third positive factor is that we have seen that RBI has been very aggressive and they have been selling dollars at higher level, because of which our forex reserve data has also come down by $7 billion. And the last positive factor is that in coming days, if you see the table, we are expecting 8 to 10 billion ka inflows in various bonds. With this, let us see what is the outlook for dollar rupee pair. In coming days, we feel that dollar index is going to face strong resistance between 104 to 105 level, and there is a 85 to 90% probability that 83 and 83.25 will be protected. If on any given day, if the pair closes below 82.45 level, then we will see a sharp correction towards 82 and 81.50 kind of a level. Now let us discuss strategy for thin margin exporter. In my last 15 years of career, I have learned two important lessons. The first important lesson is that when any currency is trading near all-time high, never reduce your hedge ratio. Second is never go against the big player in the market. Currently the big player in the market is RBI, which is protecting 83. So most of the thin margin exporters must have taken costing close to 80 to 50. So ideal strategy for them is to just go and simply cover 100% on a back-to-back basis. Now let us discuss strategy for thick margin exporters like textile exporter or an engineering exporter. If you are booking against order, then ideally you should be covered between 75 to 80%. For remaining position, you can keep a strict stop loss of 82.45. If 82.45 is broken, then ideally go and cover 100% on order basis. If you are looking under anticipation basis for entire 1 year exposure, then ideally hedge ratio should be between 50 to 55%. Now let us discuss strategy for importers. Patience is the key. As rupee is going to face huge resistance between 8280 to 83 level. Importers should keep a stop loss of 83.30 and wait for better levels of 82 and 81.50 for coming days. With this, I will end my today's presentation. Jai Hind, Namaskar, फिर मिलेंगे next week. Thank you.